Guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop black screen issue. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you fix your laptop if it has some black screen on it? So there's a few things that you could try here. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to ensure that your laptop has enough charge. Sometimes if your laptop has like for example it's failing or the battery is getting low, so usually you just need to plug your laptop. So just basically get your charger here, plug it into your laptop and plug it into an outlet or an extension cord and charge your laptop. Sometimes this actually solves the issue, but this is just basic. This is the basic fix that we could do here. But what are the other things that you need to do here just in case this doesn't work? Well, the next thing that you could do here is to reset your graphics driver. So how do you exactly do that if you don't see anything on your screen? Now, you can actually access your keyboard here and basically press the number of combinations I'll be saying you. Now, in this case, the first is you want to look for Windows, which is the Windows icon that you see here at the bottom left. Now, you want to press Control and Shift and B. Now, you want to press this 4 buttons together until you actually see it reset. So this will actually turn off your screen here and basically restart your GPU or your GPU driver, and from then on only press it one time. Remember, just press it one time, don't really press this one, and basically it will reset itself. But sometimes this doesn't work, so what you could do here is you could actually do a hard reset, kind of a hard reset, but this doesn't actually delete the data you have on your PC. So what you need to do is you first need to press and hold the power button on your laptop for about like 10 seconds. So this will usually turns off your actual laptop, and once your laptop is turned off, you want to remove or unplug your charger, and from then on you want to press and hold again the power button for about like 60 seconds if you can. Now, once 60 seconds is up, you want to go ahead and turn it on again and see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of this actually worked, the next thing that you could do here is to reach out to Lenovo support to get this fixed, because fixing this itself sometimes causes more issues. So what you could do is you could go to the official website for Lenovo here, and from here you could go to the top right. As you can see, this is the number that you could call for Lenovo here, and basically call them on the following numbers, or you can even click on the technical support option here, or chat now options to contact support. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.